Hi traders, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I hope all of you are doing good. So today we are going to learn something new. I hope you are able to see this chart and you must be wondering what are these lines and why are these lines like this. So today we will analyze Bank Nifty and Nifty using this concept. This concept is called as a curved trend line. So we have already seen how to draw normal trend lines, but today we'll learn how to draw curved trend lines. So curved trend lines will give you much bigger aspect and much clear perspective in terms of the market movement, because market doesn't move in a straight line. So trying to draw a trend line basis straight lines will be very wrong thing to do. So most of the professional traders use this curved trend line, and how to draw this I will show you just in a minute. So before we get started, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and click on the bell icon for notification to receive all the new content which I create. So here we are on a Nifty chart. Let's analyze Nifty on a daily chart. So if we have to draw a trend line, we usually use a ray to draw a trend line. So we pick up the highest point and try to touch 3 points, right? That's our normal style. So this is your normal trend line. Okay, so this way you know that when the price comes till this level, this is a decision making point where you will find lot of resistance, so the market can fall from here. So now in this scenario, how do we draw a curved trend line? So curved trend line option is very simple. I will just delete this drawing and try to show you how to draw this. So if you go to trading view, this is a free tool which is available. Select this curve. Okay, select this curve, and what you need to do is you just have to drop from 1 point to 2 point. Okay, and it gets extended automatically. So what we'll do is we will select our first point and then we'll select our third point. Okay, so first point is this and our third point is this. Okay, so now you see that these 2 points are joined. Now the center point which we have to adjust according to the market movement. So this is little tricky because if you make any mistake, this is going to show a different thing. So this is the way you adjust the curve trend line. So now in this, you can see as our straight trend line was somewhere here, from here it was going straight away. So you can see the deviation of the price. Okay, we were expecting the market to come this level, but there is a possibility the market can come to these levels and from there it can start dropping. So this is the advantage of curved lines, and it will give you entry much before the normal trend lines. So how do we use this? Now what is it saying for us on a daily time frame? Okay, daily time frame, this is the resistance and this is in a downtrend. We can see that market is Nifty is making lower lows and lower highs. It's not made any new high. So that way we have to find out which are our 3 points on a multiple time frames wherever we want to trade. Okay, so like that, if you see, if you have to touch 3 points here, number 1, number 2, and this has to be adjusted. This has to be adjusted so that we get this going. Okay, so this is our 3 touching points. So this is also a trend line. So now you can see this is one support level and this is one resistance level for us on a daily time frame. So market can stay in this range and any side breakout will be big movement. So this is on a weekly time frame, sorry, on a daily time frame, and daily time frame there is a possibility that market can bounce purely on the price action basis. So let me analyze this on a 15-minute chart. That will be more clear for us to see. So we have to identify 3 points. First point is from where the market dropped, second time from where it dropped, third time which is the highest peak it has made. So I have identified this point and this point. Let's see what it says when we draw a curve line here. We will only join first and third point. Okay, so this is our curved trend line from here, and at the bottom also we'll do the same thing. So this is our first point, second point and third point. First point and third point. Now I'll adjust this. Okay, so this is our zone again. So where is it taking the support right now? There is a support at this level and there is a resistance which is also there at this level. So if the market comes near this level of say 15,773 in this zone, again there will be a resistance and it can travel between this channel. Okay, so this is it's a simple, if you understand the normal trend lines you will understand this. Only thing, the curvature is getting added into this so that you will get a linear kind of a proportion where you have to look at the angle of the price. Now let's see this on a 3-minute time frame, if we can use this for intraday. So you can use it on intraday as well, but see, once you draw this at different time frame levels, automatically your intraday is sorted. So you can see that if the market opens at this level anywhere, you can definitely go for a short. On an intraday level, let's so we have to adjust this level. Okay, so actually this is a little bit, we have to see first point, second point and third point. So these are 3 points. From there the price has reversed. So let's do this again. First point to third point I'll join. Okay, so anyways this is already touching line is touching, so we get a clear indication that now next touch at this level is definitely a support for us and this is a resistance for us. So it is very clear for you that you can definitely short the market if it comes to this level. And if you look at the normal trend line here, a straight line, straight horizontal line kind of a trend line, so this has been a resistance level, right? So this is a resistance also. Anyways, if you get the price near to this level, which is the high of this, it is going to give you a. So now we know that this is the trend line where the market is respecting these levels, and tomorrow if we see a gap down below this level, definitely it's a selling candidate for us. and next level of support can come at 15,587 from there. So this gap will be filled if it opens negative from there. So if you see, this was one support, this is one support. So you need to understand that you need to use multiple concepts to arrive at one particular decision. So it's not like if you learn one thing you'll become a pro, because everything has 50% of success rate only in the market. So market is always behaving in a different fashion, and it will never go in one linear fashion, either up or down. So there has to be a method which you can identify, at least increase your probability that okay, this is what is going to happen. Looking at the overall global scenario, I would suggest that it can gap down and close this gap and then start moving up. So anyways, this gap is closed on this day as well. So if we see market opening anywhere below this, we can go for short. If it opens anywhere in this level, we can go long till this level to wait for a rejection, and anything above this level is a big breakout. Okay, then it won't stop from here, it can definitely change the complete trend, and the next target will be about 15,900, and there is a gap which is left at 16,000 from this. So there is high possibility that if it breaks this level, then it can go up to this level. So this is about Nifty. We will check out on Bank Nifty what is the scenario right now. So let's look at Bank Nifty index. Let's see this on a daily time frame. I will delete all the drawings for the moment. So we have one peak, second peak, third peak. Okay, so let me draw using this 1, 2, and this was the latest peak. So 3. These 3 points we will connect. Let's use this and connect this. See, one critical point you need to notice that this curve should touch the 3 points. It's not necessarily that this points should be exactly on this, because the angle changes of the curve. So ensure that you use this, and there is no particular settings which you need to change to get this. So once this is done, you can see that it is formed a nice curve which is respecting all the points, and anything above this level, any breakout about this level will be a good buying position for you. Similarly, you can draw a trend line for these 3 things. This is we can take this point, and we can take this point. Let's try to touch this point. Okay, so you can see that this is 1 point, this is 1 point, this is 1 point. So this is actually a channel which is there. So if it gets rejected at this level, this is the channel which is going to provide support. So this is quite simple, you can understand, and you can see this is moving in this channel as of now, but it is making lower lows. So you can understand, if this breaks above this, then there is a possibility that it can move quickly up. If it breaks down or if it opens up at this level, say at 34,000 levels, then you can expect selling which can happen and come back to this zone. And if it breaks this low, then it can come back to this next level of resistances. If I connect this 4th point also, the accuracy will increase like this. Okay, so this is the way you should use this curve trend line and this is really beneficial. And if you want to try it on intraday first, you can do it on a 3 minute time frame. You have to analyze it on a previous day. So there is one high, second and third. Let's see if we can make any sense out of this. What is going to happen tomorrow? Okay, so we are able to find some sense of clue looking at the 3 minute time frame. So these were the peaks, and if we see the market is still respecting this, but there is a breakdown here, so there is a possibility that it might break. Or to just for the benefit of doubt, we can actually keep it like this, and if it break this line, then we can go short on this rather than having a view of short. Make sense? Okay, so I will wait only if this line breaks. Tomorrow any red candle formed below this level, I'll go short on Bank Nifty, so that there is a lot of room for it to travel downside. Okay, so that's it guys, that's it for this week. I hope you have liked this video and learned something new. So please leave your comments in the comments section, and please do subscribe and share this video with anybody who wants to learn markets and learn these new things free of cost. Thank you so much for watching.